Hey everybody, Sean Chester Paul here. Our MATRIKX Carbon Block video series is about to wrap up, but we wanted to talk a little bit about why MATRIKX, who is MATRIKX, and I believe at Chester Paul we only select quality suppliers. We don't go with the cheapest product or the newest product to market. We go with quality suppliers that have proven themselves, that bring a value to Chester Paul and to the customers of Chester Paul Company. So with that said, I wanted Dennis to spend a moment and talk about what powers the MATRIKX brand and what goes into making the quality MATRIKX carbon block that we know today.
Yeah, thanks, Sean. I think the key things here are, look, we're certified both at facility level and at the product level. I'll get into a little more detail on that. And we're really committed to innovation and research and development and new media technologies. And I think, you see that in the latest MATRIKX brand with the chloramine claims that we've been added as a result of the breakthrough in catalytic carbon.
A lot of investment in resource and technology there.
Absolutely, absolutely. I think probably, let's start at the facility basis. The facilities that produce the MATRIKX brand are ISO 9001 and 14001 certified. What that means basically is 9001 does a real deep dive on the quality systems that are in place there to make sure that we've got the right systems in place to produce a quality product. So that certifies us for the quality systems. 14001 really addresses a facility's environmental stewardship, if you will. So they take a look at the facilities and see what they're doing to reduce their impact to the environment. And that's something that the MATRIKX plant has had for many years. And in fact, really supports one of the certifications that we have.
Yeah,
so let's
the sustainability.
That's right. Yeah. That's right. So let's talk about third-party certifications. The MATRIKX branded line of products is certified with WQA and NSF to standard 42 for material safeties. Basically, that means that there's nothing in that filter that can be extracted out of that filter that might cause harm to other people. These are very important because there's a lot of medias out there, a lot of carbon, a lot of plastics that under the wrong circumstances or the right circumstances, depending on how you want to look at it, could potentially contribute something to the water that you don't want there.
Oh, there's been a few folks, maybe we call them shady folks, that have gotten in trouble with arsenic coming out of their carbon blocks.
That's right. That's right.
That's a no-no, folks.
Yeah. So and we'll talk about that in a second. So NSF and WQA standard 42 material certifications. We're also certified by WQA for sustainability. That's their S803 standard. So they've come in and done an audit of the facility and determined that we are doing the best that we can and meet the requirements of the certification to be certified for sustainability. We're also California Prop 65 compliant. That means that we're taking a look at each lot of carbon to make sure that there isn't contaminants in that carbon that might end up in the water of a consumer. So we're abiding by those California Prop 65 requirements, such that we're one of the few filter companies that don't put the California Prop 65 warning on the label.
Yeah, because you're going to see a lot of product out there that has a label on it that tells you it's going to cause cancer.
Right.
We're certain enough with their backing that this product meets and beats Prop 65 day after day. So that's a big deal.
That's right. And finally, we're just wrapping up a performance certification with IATMO. A lot of the claims that are being made today in the filtration world are non-certified claims. And historically, as a carbon block manufacturer, we weren't able to, we weren't in the systems business. So getting a certification for a system really wasn't up to us. It was up to our customers that build systems. Well, we decided to, back up these performance claims with IATMO third-party performance certification for chlorine and chloramine. So that certification's wrapped up now. We've successfully completed the tests. And we're going to get 12,000 gallons of chlorine reduction and 1,000 gallons of chloramine reduction, and that'll be certified performance when used in the appropriate housing.
A lot of certifications and approvals and quality control processes that go into place at MATRIKX, and that's what delivers a consistent quality carbon block. So anyway, thanks, Dennis. I hope everybody's enjoyed this. And there's a handful of videos here you guys can check out if you want to learn more about filter selection or chloramine or heavy metal reduction with the MATRIKX carbon block line. So, well done, Dennis. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sean.
Check out chesterpaul.com.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Have a great day. Peace.